Hey guys, TekGeekHD here again with another video, and I know it's been a super long time. I know that I've been totally out of commission. It's been 6 months at this point, maybe half a year. Those are the same thing, and I haven't made a video at all. And I have a couple excuses for this. It isn't just because I've been lazy. That has definitely been part of it, but it's been a combination of being really busy and then really burnt out and tired, and together that sort of ends up making lazy. And so I haven't been making any videos for the last couple months. This is clearly something all of my viewers have noticed. I keep getting messages on the daily. I still have comments and interaction on some of my videos. But really the question that I get most of all, and I tend to get this a lot on Instagram and of course my YouTube DMs is, are you coming back to YouTube? When are you going to start making videos again? What happened? Why did you go off? Or why aren't you making YouTube videos anymore? Multifaceted answer, pretty simple question, but I have a lot of different reasons for not having made content in a while. First and foremost, been extremely busy. This is my senior year of college. I'm going to be graduating in May, and so I've had a lot of work to do. Classes have been extremely intense. And so that hasn't left me with a ton of time after my classes, after the day's over, and after my work to really have any time to put down and make videos for you guys. The second thing, which has been maybe equally important but equally time-consuming as well, has been, this summer. This was probably the best time to be making videos, you might think. But I work every single summer. This summer specifically was a really big one for me. I was a user experience design intern, a user experience and product design intern at Microsoft in Seattle. And that was really exciting, and I might have videos to come about that, but that was a really time-consuming summer as well, as you might imagine. I spent every single day in Seattle, Washington. I was at work 5 days a week, and then the weekends I sort of took for myself, for my friends and I to go out, relax, have fun. I did have my camera with me in Seattle, and I actually did shoot 1 or 2 videos. The audio ended up corrupting. I wasn't able to upload them. A multitude of reasons didn't happen. But really, the point of making this video is not to say necessarily that I'm back and making the same videos that I've always made on this channel, but to let you guys know that I am A, not dead, and B, that I will be creating content for the channel as I continue to go forward. Winter break is coming upon us, and I don't know how much content I'm going to have over then because I'm going to be at home with family, taking some time before graduating and before starting work, just to relax and spend some time with family, as you might imagine. And then bigger news, I guess, next year, as soon as I graduate, I might take a couple months off in the summer, but I have signed a contract to go back to Microsoft in Seattle, Washington, to work as a user experience and product designer full-time, which I am super excited about. It's been a dream of mine to work in big tech forever. And I was blessed to have had the opportunity to intern at Microsoft, but then also have had job offers from companies like Apple, Facebook, and of course Microsoft. And so I evaluated a number of different factors. I know some of you might find it interesting that I chose to go to Microsoft instead of Apple, but I would love to continue to make videos and talk a little bit more in detail about that sort of thing if you guys are interested. And really also the purpose of this video is to say that while I'm not stepping away from tech videos at all, I think that technology is sort of this underlying passion in my life and always has been. You'll notice my school choices, my career, the things I'm interested in really sort of revolve around it, but I sort of, I have other interests. I'm a designer, I've been a finance nerd my entire life, I'm a huge automotive enthusiast, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that part for sure, but I just want to continue to make videos on YouTube. I really don't want to negate all the work that I've done over the years, acquiring you guys as an audience and building relationships on the internet to be able to create content and get feedback and just have this really interesting online experience. That's not something I want to step away from just yet. I don't think I want to step away from it at all, ever. I just think that, there's different circumstances that come my way that sort of prevent me from spending time on one thing versus another. And so being able to prioritize and really set my focus on certain things to make sure that everything's going okay in life for me is always important. That being said, YouTube always has been a priority. It's been a part of my life that I've really enjoyed, and I want to continue to do it. And so the content might change a little bit on this channel. I might make more videos about design, about watches, about cars, about technology, about my experiences, about how to get internships, maybe about finance, investing. If any of that sounds interesting to you, and maybe video isn't the format that you love, my friend Jason and I actually recently started a podcast called Breadcrumbs, where we talk about design, finance, and technology. And if you are interested, there's a link in the description. It's available for free on SoundCloud and Spotify, and we will be coming to other, your favorite podcasting apps really soon, Overcast and the likes, you name it. So we're working on getting that part done, but we have 2 episodes up at the time of me recording this video. We release one every week. Touch wood until anything goes wrong, and hopefully it doesn't. But those are 30-minute podcasts. They're pretty short. I'm extremely active on Twitter these days, extremely active on Instagram. Those are probably the best places to get in touch with me. If you text me, if you message me, if you DM me or comment on something, 9 times out of 10 I will respond on Twitter or Instagram. YouTube, I just have a flood of comments and DMs every day, and I have those notifications for the most part sort of muted, or I check back every once in a while, but it's not always on my feed. So Twitter and Instagram are probably the best place to get in touch with me. All the links to my social are in the description. It's pretty much at TekGeekHD everywhere else as well. But really, guys, that's about it. Hopefully you guys understand and enjoy this video, and there's going to be new content coming out soon, so hopefully that is interesting to you guys. But anyway, that's about it from me today. Hopefully you guys have had a great Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.